Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is the video number 5 of computer science. In chapter number 1, types of computer, we have done the explanation and book exercise. And chapter number 2, we have done the explanation, and now we will do the exercises of chapter number 2. Answer the following questions. Now we will start the book exercise of chapter number 2. The topic is functional unit of computer. Question number 1. Answer the following question. The first question, how does computer work? Now the answer is computer works with data or information. Question number 2. Write for function of computer. Now the answer is accepting the data, storing the data, processing the data, and showing the data. And question number 3. What are the functional units of computer? Now the answer is input devices, central processing unit, number 3, output devices, number 4, backing storage devices. Come to the question number 4. What is meant by peripherals? Now the answer is the devices which are attached to the computer are called peripherals. And question number 5. What is another name given to CPU? Answer is the another name given to CPU is system unit. Number 6. Question, what are the main component of CPU? Answer is control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit. Question number 7. What is the function of ALU? Answer is it performs all the mathematical operations of computer. Now the question number 8. What is input device? And answer is the device through which we give input to the computer. Question number 9. What are the 3 basic operations of computer? Answer is input, process, and output. Question number 10. What is meant by MU? Answer is it stores the current data which is to be processed. Now the question answer is finished. Now let's start the fill in the blanks. Now please come to the question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Computer works with blank or blank. Answer is data, information. The blanks are B. There are dash functional unit of computer. Blank is 4. C. Hardware is the dash part of computer. C blank is physical. D. Software gives dash to the computer. The blank is instruction. E. Dash guides the hardware what to do. Blank is software. F. CU stand for dash control unit. G. MU stand for dash memory unit. H. ALU stand for arithmetic logic unit. I. Keyboard is an dash device. Answer is input. J. Monitor is an dash device. Answer is output. Now fill in the blanks is finished now. Now here is the question number 3. Write true or false. You will write the, if your answer is true, you will do the sign of T, and your answer is false, then you will write the F. It means T stand for true and F stand for false. A. The devices used to give input to the computer are called peripheral equipment. Is true. B. ALU controls all operations of computer. The answer is F. C. Control unit controls all mathematical operations of computer. The answer is false. D. Memory unit stores the current data which is to be processed. Answer is true. E. CU stand for central unit. The answer is false. Now fill in the blanks is finished now. Question number 4 will be omitted. Let's take the fill in the missing letters. Question number 5. Now A. Arithmetical, B. Control, C. Unit, D. Processing, E. Storage, F. Backing, G. Input, H. Operation, I. Output, J. Devices. Now chapter number 2 explanation and exercises has finished. You will do the work very carefully with the help of pencil. Your 2 chapters are finished now. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz. We will do on the next chapter the explanation of chapter 3 on my next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.